morning, everyone. So we're jumping into the garage today. As you guys saw in the previous video, I decided to move. I want to make sure this exposure is right. Yeah, it's probably better. I moved the other day, a few weeks ago, and today's the first day that I have actual time to start doing the garage. By doing the garage, I mean there's a lot of stuff in here. So like all of these like workbench or these like shelves. There's like a really large workbench over here that I don't need, and just a bunch of shelving, and overall it just needs a good sweeping, a good cleaning, and then I'm gonna start doing some lights and all of that. First we need to demolition some stuff. All of this stuff's going down. I have to take everything out of the garage to start demolitioning. I don't know the word. We have to start doing all of that. So in this video, I'm gonna start cleaning this garage up. The hope is that today I can clean everything, take the old lights down, put the new lights up, get my bikes in here, set up my squat rack, and hopefully have enough space left over to put a car in here. My truck won't fit, it's too tall, but potentially a new car coming maybe in the fall, who knows. So I just want to get it ready for that. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that needs to get worked on, get cleaned up. So let's look at that. So, these are the shelves. They're actually really nice quality shelves. I just don't need them. So I'm just gonna take them down and hope for the best. I don't think I need this anymore. This was in my old garage. There's gonna be enough lights, and this workbench over here is like more than enough of size. All of this is coming down. That's gone. There's this like black insulation. Oh, sorry. This like black insulation that I don't know what to do with. See how it's kind of like ripping here? All of that. Don't know what to do with that. I don't think I need it. My bikes. And then just give everything a little cleanup. These like wires are not the best. I don't know why they had to do it like that. So let's start cleaning. So you know that saying that like, if you want something done right, you do it yourself? I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm literally going out these cabinets with a hammer. They're just like randomly screwed in together, and there's no like rhyme or reason on why things are done. So let's hope that we can get this down in one piece without caving the garage in. So. All right, so that's done. Took about a little over an hour to get it all done. It was a pain in the ass, but so much more room. So much more room. So because I have no need to do, I have nothing to store in here. Like I have this entire, like this is a giant loft up here. It's just all for storage, and I have stuff in my house for even more storage. So it was just wasted space. So glad it's gone. Now let's get these out. Sorry about that. So I just ripped off all this like shitty ceiling material that's falling apart and disintegrating anyway. Off the top of this, it looks way better. I have to now start cleaning all of this up because there's a lot here. But It looks so much cleaner. Look at that. You can see the nice wood. Now I know what I'm working with. I can paint it over. I can redo cables and wires and all of that up there and actually see what I'm doing. And there's just years of dust accumulating in this ceiling, like up in here. So it's probably for the best to get that out of here because that is ultimately a fire hazard, right? So let's see what we're doing. All right, so this side of the garage is basically done. So I ripped out all the ceiling, I cleaned it up, swept everything over there. There used to be like a mirror that was like halfway attached on that I grinded off. That was a pain in the ass. Took all the cabinets down. So like this side's done. Now I need to move over here. This is all coming down because there's too much, I don't need this much storage. It's just gonna like collect shit. So I'd rather have everything clean. So that's going, this bench is going, that big bench is staying, and then I'm still wondering if I think I'm gonna still rip everything on this side out, just so it matches this side. This is in a little better condition than this, but I still just wanna like do it fresh. So, let's get working. Okay, so I had to take a break, but check how much progress I've made. So far, everything in the ceiling is gone, taken down. I don't know, smudge, what's that? From there, oh, there we go, tight. Swept all of it, it's in a pile. Everything's off the walls. I'm turning the music off so I don't get a copyright strike. Boom. So, check that. Look how much progress we made in the last few hours. Pretty damn good. These boards on the wall are staying just in case I do need to hang anything more. They're also like really in there. The other ones were in with just a nail. And so, okay, this is everything, all the debris. This has to go in a trash can in a bag, which is obnoxious. I can't just like pick it up and throw it in there. From there, we're taking the power washer out. We're gonna power wash the walls. Sorry about that. We have to power wash the walls, power wash the floor, and then I'm gonna figure out how much paint we're going to need. At first I didn't want to paint it, but now I feel like it's so nice and I might as well just paint everything white. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the floor yet because the floor is not great. If you can see, there's like these little divots everywhere. You're gonna focus? Maybe not. There we go. These divots everywhere that like you can't epoxy over. It's just not worth it. So I have to figure out what to do with the floor. So if you have any ideas, let me know. So let's do this. Okay, everything's done. Not everything's done. Everything to get me to this point. And this point is really interesting and really important to me because it's something that I've always wanted. I've always wanted a pressure washer. Yep, I wanted a pressure washer since I was like a little kid. The idea of having my own pressure washer is like kind of like an adult goal of mine. Now I have one. So I'm gonna load that bitch up with soap and I'm gonna wash this bitch down. I'm really excited. Set that there. Testing out lights. So, everything's clean. Things are drying. I'm in the process now of moving everything from the outside to the inside. I calculated how much paint I'm going to need and everything's looking pretty good right now. I think it looks a world of a difference, really. It's so clean. Like, if you guys could just smell, also this is my artwork, it's very nice. If you could smell what it is inside right now, it's like super fresh and lemony and like it doesn't smell like it's a garage, which is just wonderful. There's a lot of these cables that I have to, the next step is going through, making sure all my lights work and redoing all of these cables because there's a lot of them. I can't zoom in because I'm using my prime, but look at that. So shiny. I'm gonna keep moving on, cleaning everything up. This video is basically done. So I'm just gonna end it now. Thank you guys for watching this. I know not a normal video, but I wanted to get my garage up and running while we're in this like COVID quarantine area. So when new bikes come and things like that happen in the next few months, I have a space that's already ready for new bikes, to work on new bikes, to potentially work on a car, to do all of these things that I've always wanted to have in a garage. I now have that. So, you know, I don't have a lot of the opportunities to take everything out of a garage, really gut it, clean it, do the best that you can. So I thought this is the time to do it. So I'm glad I did.